So, hi friends, my name is Vikratin. So, it's visible, right? Yeah. So, friends, I'm new to this YouTube channel, so I'm new. Please support the channel. If it okay, it's like educational channel, so don't please learn education, friends. Education is very important. Like they have some big boss, it's not important, but it's important. Okay. So, friends, today I am going to tell a topic about gravity, which is in physics. You might say that gravity. What is gravity? We can say gravity is a force. What? Yeah. What is gravity? It's when we throw an object, it attracts any object in the earth that we call gravity. So gravity is a force or it's illusion? Quite interesting question, right? I would say both. I will say gravity is a relative in physics. Welcome to Vikritin channel. I am your cousin. So friends, what is gravity? Anything which pulls down, that's gravity. Yeah, you are correct. Gravity is a force, but it also this illusion was said by scientists like Einstein. So yeah, so how is gravity is discovered? See, gravity is not discovered. It's like yeah, it is discovered. I would say it is found by Newton. So, friends, you will say that it is found like when Newton is sitting on an apple tree. When the apple fell down, he found a gravity. That's not true. In one day, no one cannot find anything. No? See, he took 13 to 24 years to find gravity. So he states that gravity is a force which attracts any object. For example, if I have a like suppose if I have an object, for say, example a box, it also attracts me. It also applies a force on me, and also applies a force on this. This is called gravity. This also applies, but the gravity of this box is very very little compared to it is approximately almost zero. But the gravity applied by the earth is very very large. Yeah, obvious kabat. Okay, we can say gravity is a force. Yes or no? According to this statement, and Newton is saying that it's an instantaneous process, which is wrong. So he's saying that it's an instantaneous process. It attracts quickly. That's not wrong. That's not wrong. But according to Einstein, it's wrong. I will tell why it's like that. And gravity, and he tells about that. Like another gravity which is capital G, that is universal constant. Capital G, you have studied in class 9 or 10. It will be constant always. Its value is something 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. So okay, what do you mean by that? Very simple. Actually, constant G only acts between two small point objects. Are you getting now? So what are small point objects? It is very very small, very very small. Like dust between the two dust particles. It's always constant. And what is acceleration due to gravity is g. That small g. And g is 9.8. How? By using the formula like g is equal to gm upon r square. Like mass of the earth, yeah, divided into gravitational constant divided by radius of earth. If you calculate, we'll get approximately 9.8 meter divided by second square. Is it amazing, right? And Newton, who gave like definition of about gravity, and he also gave three laws of motion like v square minus v square is equal to 2as, and like by using three laws you can find the distance between any distance. This is like velocity, acceleration, time. Okay. And like Newton is saying time is absolute, time will be same in everywhere. That's wrong. Einstein says that time is relative. That's not absolute. Okay. And he's saying that yeah, like but some laws which is not some laws are not applicable in some places. Newton's law itself, for example, if I'm saying v square minus v square is equal to a, which is not applicable for mercury. So yeah, but is gravity an illusion? Yes. So I said gravity is relative. It's dependent on the each of the perspective. Yeah. Einstein is saying that gravity uh, we can say gravity is formed due to something. We don't know which is caused by the gravity. And he's saying gravity is a weak force, and he's saying the speed of the gravity is less than the speed of light. What is light? Hmm. I would say light is a right. We can say it's a wave or a particle that comes from a source. Huh? Wave. Yeah, it shows the two dual. It has dual properties of both particle and wave. So okay, what is speed of light? You know, the speed of light is 3 lakh kilometer per hour per not hour per second. In 1 second, it travels 3 lakh kilometer. Imagine, in 1 second it will rotate the earth 7 times. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? That much speed it is. You know, like the speed of light is much greater, and Einstein says that this is the light is the fastest fastest thing which can travel the whole universe in nine I think 93 something 9,300 crores. It will take that much years to cover all the universe. That means the big universes, and the light speed of light is very more. So we can say, so obviously you can say gravity, the speed of gravity is very less. Yeah. And Einstein is saying that time is relative. He is saying that time is not same at all. When we reach at the speed of light, the time will be decreasing. He did an experiment and he proved that time is relative. Yeah, but 10 experimental, when the lightning and thunder comes, two lightning and thunder comes immediately. One friend who's sitting in train sees the first thunder and seeing the next thunder, but both the thunder came simultaneously. How? Because time dilation. Because that is very fast. So you can say it is relative, right? Time is relative. You can prove it is experiment, and Einstein says that time is not absolute. That's his final conclusion, and he is saying that E is equal to mc square. What is E? E is energy, and m is mass. C is speed of light. Very important. And he is saying that we can convert energy into mass and mass into energy. Both are same. And he is saying that very important. He is saying that. Uh, yeah, because the small amount, the small mass, in a small mass then produce use electricity, which can be uh, continuously it will be produced for 6 years, continuously 6 crore years continuously. We can produce a small coin itself. That much energy is there, like that he's saying. And it is like different from classical physics. It is called quantum physics. Yeah, this is different. That laws are different, so it is not like uh, quantum and classic. Both are different. Don't compare with that. Okay. And Newton is saying about classic, and Einstein is saying about uh, quantum. Both are different. So I would say both are correct because gravity is relative. Obvious ka baat. Gravity is relative, okay? And we can say gravity is caused because due to more mass. For example, like you know 1D is what, like one line, 2D is two lines, 3D is like keyboard. What is 4D? That is called space time. So time is a fourth dimension. Time is a fourth dimension, okay? Yeah, but time cannot be reversed. Said by Einstein also. He is saying when we reach the speed of light, time will be decreasing. When we reach at least 50% of speed of light, or at least 10%, we will travel in future. That's weird. I think this is hypothetical theories, but that's not true. They should confirm. And I would say that both are correct. Both Newton and Einstein both are correct. And yeah, so both are correct. And gravity is caused because more mass, more like space time will be like I would say it will be pulled. So a force is caused, that is gravity. Like that Einstein is saying that it is 100% true. Yeah. When the more mass, obvious ka baat, when more mass is there, it will pull more. But by pulling more, a force is created. That is gravitational force. Okay. Can say there will be more mysteries in this case. I'm I'm just talking to. I'll be more things that we will discuss in upcoming about light, about stars, about galaxies. So many things are there. So bye friends. This is the video. By the way, this is the first video I'm uploading in this channel. Tata. See you.